I'm Bob Whitney, and I'm Justice of the Peace in Precinct 4, Place 2. Dallas County is divided into 5 JP precincts with 11 judges. Precinct 4 has 2 courts. Place 1 is in Grand Prairie, and Place 2 is in Irving. These courts share venue and jurisdiction. The venue for the courts is Coppell, Irving, Grand Prairie, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, DeSoto, Glen Heights, and Ovilla. A resident registered voter in any of these communities within Dallas County has 2 votes for Justice of the Peace. 1, Place 1 in Grand Prairie, 2, Place 2 in Irving. The JP court differs from the county court and the district court also in many ways, but one is that the JP court handles criminal and civil cases. The JP courts have a large volume of cases, and this may explain but not justify why there are more judicial ethics complaints against JPs than any other court in the state. In the 1990s, the court in Irving, the mid-90s, was plagued with judicial ethics sanctions. I was elected in 1998, and since that day, there has not been a single judicial ethics sanction against me or the court. And that's not an accident. We have a very dedicated staff. They are educated in the procedures, the policies, the statutes, and the laws that govern JP courts. Also, it's very important what happens in the courtroom. About 2,000 years ago, Socrates described 4 elements of a judge. And the first element is to hear courteously. Now I have the patience to listen to the litigants, and when they leave the courtroom, they know that they had the judge's ear. Number 2 is to answer wisely. And I have the judicial background, the experience, and also the experiences from life to handle this part of being a judge. Third is to consider soberly. I have the moral fiber to fulfill that not only in the courtroom, but in my personal life. And fourth, which I would consider is probably the most important, and that is to determine impartially. I've shown in the last 12 years that I can make determinations on thousands of cases without any prejudice or bias. In November, the second election, I'm asking you for your support and your vote. And if you can, it would be best if you could vote from a straight Republican ballot. If not, I would encourage you to vote from the bottom up. Thank you for your time, your support. Bob Whitney, Justice of the Peace, Precinct 4, Place 2.